We are delighted to introduce you to the world's first toolroom machining center, the TRAK TMC. It is a product that could only have been done by the inventors of ProtoTRAK because it is built on 4 decades of making ProtoTRAK CNCs ideal for working in small lot quantities. We call it a toolroom machining center because it gives you ways to work that you won't find on a VMC. It's a ProtoTRAK with a tool changer, but it is so much more. We've reimagined the traditional VMC to make a machine that is ideal for toolroom and lower volume production work. In toolroom ops, you can work just like you do with a DPM, only it's a lot cleaner. You have the convenient DRO features for manual machining, 2 and 3-axis CNC machining. You even have tracking. Once you are ready to run, turn the key to production ops. Now you have a full-featured 3-axis or 4-axis VMC that is perfect for those high-mix, low-volume production jobs. If you haven't taken a good look at the amazing ProtoTRAK RMX CNC, you really owe it to yourself to see how TRAK has added a lot of useful features, but still retains that easy, natural way of working. We're talking about features like fly-out windows, touchscreen navigation, onboard instructions and videos, enhanced graphics, and so much more. As fantastic as the TMC is for the expert machinist in the toolroom, it is also the best machine you could have for bringing along those people who are new to CNC machining. Features such as defaults and onboard tutorials make it easier for your newbies to program on their own. The TRAK TMC is available in 5 models. The TRAK TMC 5 has the smallest footprint and is perfect for toolrooms or even vocational education environments. The TRAK TMC 7 gives you a generous 30 by 20 by 20 inch work envelope. The TMC 10 features a large 44 by 19 inch table, perfect for setting up larger fixtures. The TMC 12 has 50 by 27 by 25 inches of travel. And our biggest, the TMC 14 gives you a lot of travel and generous table size. There's a lot more to the TMC than we can show you in a short video. Fortunately, it's easy to learn more. Just contact your local TRAK representative to arrange for a demo. Experience it for yourself, and you'll see why the TRAK TMC stands alone in its class as the world's only true toolroom machining center.